Yeah, hi guys, Stephen I for from Mindful Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Hey guys, I got a bit of money that I got to reinvest. Let me see. Oh, hold on. Let me go back to the beginning. In the beginning, I got this much to reinvest. Okay, it's actually 20,000 already done a little bit. Click on deposit. Come into this section. Click spend from account balance. Click on it. Also, make sure to click this button here by the BTC. Then start transferring all your cash to the reinvestment process. Okay, and that's all I'm going to be doing. Process. I'm getting 6.2% every day, compounding. And all I'm doing is reinvesting the whole lot for tomorrow. Today's balance about 20,000, so tomorrow will be 21,000, of course. 1499. I just want to show you that process to see how easy it is to use XM binary to help you process some income. But anyway, this is Stephen I from Mindful Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. We love you. God loves you. We'll see you in my next video. Make some money. Bye for now.